got that nostalgic feel to it here. Because Mina and I are from Hong Kong. First dish is here. This is crispy pork belly and some char siu. Let's try. And we got an order of beef chow fun. Smells so good. And we got half a roast duck. Wow, look at that. And Mina's got a big, nice cup of lemon tea. Let's try the crispy pork belly. The skin is so crunchy, really delicious. The roast duck here is so good too. The skin of the duck is crispy. Rarely get that anywhere. That was some really delicious